This date functions we covered, right? This is date, current date, timestamp, and everything.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we need to cover from here onwards. Okay, let us see. Okay, when I am selecting this one, okay, when I am selecting this one, I am getting this data. Okay, name, number, and salary. Okay, I am getting this data. Okay, and when I am trying to do this one, what I am trying to do is I want to keep some extra column called as rank. Okay, which is based on here order by salary. On which basis I am keeping the rank? Salary basis I want to keep the rank. Okay, let us execute this one, and later I will explain according to the output what exactly the function is going on. Okay, see this, I am executing this statement. Okay, now the output is like this. See, now the salaries are in order. Okay, which order? Ascending order or descending order?
Descending
Right?
order.
Salary are in ascending order or descending order?
Descending.
Descending order, right? First the highest salary, then lowest like this. Okay, when I am going like that, the same number of salary maybe have to two different persons. There may be a chance, right? The same number of salary may have for the two different persons. Okay, when that time I added one extra column. In the extra column, what I done is I done like this. Okay, wherever I am having the same amount of salary, okay, I am keeping the same number. Suppose 1, 2, 3 like this I need to come. Okay, but what I got here 1, 2, 2. That means 30,000 is there means 2. Again 30,000 came means again 2. Okay, actually what the thing need to come 1, 2, 3. Okay, after 4 I need to come. But here 1, 2, 2. Instead of 3 again it was replaced as 2. Later it was came as 4. Got it?
Yeah.
Let me do one thing again. Okay. Here in this your on we are expected. Let us delete this one. Don't consider this one. I will give another example to roll number. It will not work this one. Yeah, see here. What I'm doing to what I'm trying to do here is I am executing this one. Okay, and I'm executing, and what I'm doing is I'm keeping the unique numbers to the particular salaries. Okay, where exactly the salaries are identical. Okay, for that what I'm keeping is the same number I'm repeating. Suppose here for 90,000 the 1 is there, and for 30,000 2. If the value changes means this number will change, but the value is again 30,000. So again the 2 is repeated here instead of 3. Okay, and again after that one 4. Again the 20,000 is repeated 4. Instead of 5 I repeated 4 here. Then 6. Then 7 like this. Different values are coming means the number is changing, and then okay the same values are coming means the same number is repeating here. Okay, this is called as rank function. Okay, how this can be implemented by using the concept of rank function. What exactly these rank functions are? These rank functions are nothing but the rank functions which are used to give a particular rank according to the categories of the data. Okay, suppose the data is at the same, it will give the same number. If the data is different, it will give the different number. This concept is called as rank function. Okay, and these functions are also called as windowing functions. These functions are also called as windowing functions. Suppose I am executing like this. Select name, number, salary, comma rank. That means these fields are already there in the table, name, number, salary. Okay, what the extra column I'm going to print here?
Rank.
Rank. Okay, I'm giving the alias name to the rank as R. Such a way it is printing as R. Okay, over is the keyword which needs to be used after rank function. Okay, window function will have always the keyword called as over. After using this function, we need to use the over. Okay, on which column basis we are displaying the rank? On salary basis. Over. Okay, order by salary. Order by salary is nothing but here we are ordering the entire thing by using the salary concept. How? Either in ascending or else descending. I am using the descending order. Suppose I am not using this descending. Okay, directly I am using the entire salaries will come in the ascending order. Let us see. See, now the ascending order came, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that means if the salary I want to display in the descending order, I need to keep here a simple descending. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am pinning this output. See what exactly came after executing this one. This one came. Whether the 3 is there in this one?
No.
No. Why? Because 3 is replaced with 2. Okay. Suppose the 3 is replaced with 2. That means the 2 is repeated for 2 times. No problem. I want the next number as 3. Like that I want to display. That function is called as dense rank function. That type of function is called as dense rank. The same syntax. Rank over order by salary. Here dense rank over order by salary. Same syntax I am using and I am executing this one. See what it will execute. Got it? 3 came now?
Yeah.
Yeah. 4, 5. No number is replaced. Whereas in this one, the number is replaced. Suppose in the third position 2 came means the 3 will not display again. 4 will directly come. Whereas in the dense rank, of course the 2 is repeated for 2 times or 3 times. The next number will be repeated as 3 only. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the dense rank function. Okay. And why I written in the inside? Directly I can execute. If I am executing this one also, I will get the output. See. This one also I am getting the same output. Why I kept here means to explain the new concept called as subquery. And okay, subquery to explain the output called concept called as subquery. Just one sec.
Yeah.
Yes, here. Okay, the concept called as subquery. What the concept of subquery means, I will explain you in the last concept. Just remember that I selected some fields. Okay, I selected some fields from which I selected. I written another query inside the query. This query is called as subquery. Okay, why I written means if I am executing this one also I will get the output. Okay, by why I am writing like this means to explain the concept of subquery. Okay. Let me do at the last for the subqueries on this one. And now we will see the another concept called as group by and having. Okay, another concept, group by and having. What is this group by and having? Okay, we are having so many fields like this. Okay, name, num, salary like this. Okay, suppose there may be a chance that 2 department numbers. Suppose you are working in software and I am working in software in the same company in the same department. Okay, there may be a chance that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. For the same department numbers, if the persons are working, okay, group those salaries. That means sum those salaries. Suppose the 7 is there, sum all the salaries. I want to find how much salary is giving to the particular department. Okay, I want to find that one. Okay, for that we are having a function called as sum of salary. Okay, the sum of is nothing but it will count the sum of the entire. How it is counting the salary? Suppose like that. See. Select sum of salary from EMP1 I am writing. Okay, EMP1 I am writing. Okay, how much salary? 20,900. Okay, let us see. I'm pinning this and I'm selecting okay, cell star from EMP1. What is the output? It is displaying all the salaries. Okay, after summing all these salaries, what is the output I got? Some 20,90,000, right? Okay, but I want to find the salary according to the department wise. That means here how much for the 7 department, how much for the 1 department, how much for the 2 department. Like this I want to find out. That means I need to group by department numbers. Okay, for that we are having one concept called as group by. Group by is nothing but which is used to group a particular column according to their different distinct values. Okay, suppose the numbers, there are repeated number values. I want to calculate the sum of salary on basis of group by number, only group by number. That means it will display only the numbers as well as the sum of salary. Suppose I'm executing this one. Okay, what will be the output it will show means for the department 7, this is the total summation value. For the department 1, this is the summation value. 6, this is the one. 2, this is the one. Got it now?
I didn't get it. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay, I will repeat this again. Okay, department number 1 is there. Okay, 100 numbers are there. 100 employees are there. Okay. Sorry. Department 1 is there. Ravi. Or else department 1. Ravi. 1,000 rupees salary. Okay. And in the same department 1. Okay. Hari is also there. His salary is 2,000. Got it? Clear, right?
Yes.
Up to now?
Yeah.
And department 2 is there. Some Sam is there. Okay. Some 3,000 his salary. Okay. Now department 3 is there. Some Chanti is there. Okay. His salary is 6,000. Like this it is there. Okay. Now I want to sum. I want to calculate how much total salary is giving for employees in the department 1. What is the total number of total salary for department 1?
3,000. 3,000.
2,000 plus 1,000. How much it is? 3,000, right? Okay. That means for 1, how much they are giving? 3,000. Okay. For 2, only 1 person is there. So
3,000.
3,000. For 3,
6,000.
6,000. Okay. How you are getting this one?
We are adding up Ravi and Hari.
We are adding up Ravi and Hari, which belongs to department number, same department number. Okay. Grouping by same department number, right?
Yeah.
See, grouping by number. Okay. When I am selecting this employee 1, okay. Sorry, I selected this. When I selected this employee 1, here I am having this same numbers, right?
Yeah.
6 same numbers.
Okay.
Okay. When I am summing this one, it will be easy. See, 3 plus 2, how much?
It's 20,000, right? What,
This is
3,000?
30,000 and this is 20,000. Okay. That means 50,000 I need to get for 6. Okay.
Yes.
For 7, how much? 9 plus 3. Some 12.
Yeah.
Okay. And for 1 and some 10,000 plus 9,000, 19,000. Okay. Like this I need to get. Okay. Let us check whether the same thing we are getting when we are doing the group by. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
50,000, 19,000, 1,20,000.
Alright, I got it.
Yeah. How we got it? By using the group by function. Okay. Group by keyword. Okay. Group by. On which basis we are actually grouping this one? By number only, right?
Yeah.
By number. Yeah. So I kept the number. The syntax is group by number. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose I am selecting this one. This is called as group by function. Okay. Suppose I am selecting this employee 1. There are numbers which are not in order. Okay. I want to keep the numbers in order. According to the numbering order, I want to keep this one. Okay. How? I can simply like this. Select star from EMP1, order by number. Now see, all in order, right?
Yes.
How they order? Ascending order or descending order?
It's descending order.
Ascending order. Okay. Suppose I want to keep this in descending order. How? Simply DESC. What is the keyword I need to use? DESC. Okay. Yeah. See. Now see, 7766211. Got it?
Yeah.
This is the order by. Okay. And suppose when you are grouping, okay, when you are grouping, if you want to impose any conditions, okay, if you want to impose any conditions like where condition, okay, then it is not possible using the where. When you are using the group by, it is not possible to use where. Suppose I am using some where condition here, like this, okay, and I am executing this output. What it is throwing? SQL command not properly ended. But when I am using this having keyword, okay, having keyword, see, it will execute. Why? Because don't confuse with this statement. Just I am saying about the having. Whenever you are using the group by, okay, you need to use only having only. You can't use the where condition. Got it?
You give the example because I'm trying to get clear the concept.
Suppose, yeah, see, select, okay, star from EMP2, okay, what is the output we are getting? Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose I want to retrieve the employee names, numbers and salaries whose number is equal to 7. Whose number is equal to 7. Then what I will do is, I will put some where condition like this, where num equal to 7. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If I executed this one, mean what will be the output? Only this 777 will come. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the where statement which I told at the starting class. Okay. Now see, select num comma name comma count of star. Count of star. Count of star is nothing but, suppose I am using count of star from EMP2. Okay, what it will count means, suppose I am doing this one. What is that one? I am selecting the employee 2 table. Okay. How many records are there? 1. See. How many records are there? Lastly, 10 records are there, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose I am doing the count of star from EMP2. What is the output?
10.
10. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. This is the count function which is used to calculate the number of rows in a particular table. That is the purpose we use the count function. Okay. Now, what is the scenario means? I want to retrieve any duplicate rows are there in the particular table. Got it? Any duplicate rows are there in the particular table. Suppose when I am selecting this EMP2, okay, when I am selecting this EMP2, whether there are any duplicate rows? See, KKK, what is the number?
7.
7, right? Okay, and for 7 again KKK repeated?
Yeah.
Okay, and for C and any other value? Like that with the same names?
10 and no, that's 2.
Yeah, suppose if we executed this one, I can easily recognize. Num comma name are similar for Yusuf and KKK. Okay, let me show that one. See, Yusuf 2 is there. Got it? Only consider name and number. Okay. Here for Yusuf again 2 is there. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, Yusuf 2 is there, and for KKK, what is there? 7. Okay, and for KKK 7 is there. Like this, I want to retrieve whose name and number whose name and number are repeated. Okay, whose name and number are repeated more than one time. Okay, I want to retrieve that one. How I can retrieve means, I am selecting the number name. Okay, first I am selecting the number and name, and I am implementing the count of star. Okay, count of star means what we will get, how many times it is repeated. Okay, count of star means how many rows are there. Okay, from EMP2, from which table I am retrieving, from employee 2 I am retrieving. Okay, suppose I am executing this one. It will not give any output. Why? Because count of star we given. Okay, count of star means we not consider any column here. Okay, when we are using this some type of aggregate functions like sum, count in the select statement, we need to definitely use the function called as, the keyword called as group by. This is the thumb rule, guys. Remember, whenever we are using some sum and count or else anything average like this functions in the select statement, we need to use group by. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let us see. Suppose if I am executing this one, let us see if I am executing this one. Okay, got it. Now it is executing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, number, name, count I selected. Okay. Group by number, name. Number, name. Hurry. How many times? One time. Number, name. How many times? One time. Okay. Number, name. How many times? One time. But here, see, for KKK and use of, how many times it repeated? 2 times. It is grouping of all the number and name. Previously we grouped up only on the basis of number. Now we are grouping on the basis of number and name. Okay, and we are getting as 2, 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I want to retrieve only the names which are repeated more than one time. Okay. That means who is having the count of star greater than 1. Right?
Okay.
Okay, that's why I am using this having condition. Having count of star greater than 1. Only 2 names will come. That is nothing but Yusuf and KKK. Now understand?
Yes.
I am selecting the number, name and count, and I am grouping by number, name. That means number, name. Okay, wherever the number and name are repeating twice, okay, give the count. Okay, and I am filtering out. What I am filtering out? The count should be greater than 1. Okay, for whose names the count is greater than 1? For KKK and Yusuf only the count is greater than 1. Okay, that's why retrieving these 2 records. Okay, like this, can I use the where condition here? I can't use the where condition. Why? Because whenever you are using the group by, you can't use the where condition. You should use the having only. You should use only having. Okay, another rule. Suppose I am summing up only by name. Only by number. No, see. What is the error it is showing? Not a group by expression. That means whenever you are selecting number, name, okay, you should group by number, name, not only by number. Okay, suppose I am selecting number, name like this. It will not throw an error. Why? Because in the select, what are the fields we use? Number, name. So we need to group by number, name. Okay, if I use only number, it will not execute. That is the another rule of the group by. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Up to now, any doubts?
Well, I think it's well confusing, but we have to review the video 2 times.
Yeah, it will confusing only. But I am trying to explain each and every word. What the thing is, you need to watch this video again and again so that you can have a clear idea.
Yes, that's right.
Okay? Yeah. Now see, there are some other operations called as union, intersection, minus. Okay? In our school days we learned this union, intersection and minus. Okay? Suppose in a set A, okay, I am having the values like this: 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And I am having in the B set. Okay? In the B set, I am having the values like this: 1, 4, 5. Now tell me, after performing the union, A union B, what will be the output? Anyone?
AB, I guess.
Union. Guys, no one is having idea about unions?
1 will be the output.
Yeah, 1 will be the output. Okay, then I will tell. Listen. Okay, see here. The 1, 2, 3 is there, right? Okay. In this set, 1, 4, 5 is there. When I am doing union means it will retrieve like this. First it will check for the 1. Whether 1 is there here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It will not duplicate. It will retrieve only single one. Okay. Next 2. 2 is there? No. Okay.
No.
So 2. Sorry, where it type here? 2. Okay. Then 3. Okay. Next, what is the set in here? 1, 4, 5. Simply, it will display first of all. Who got disconnected?
I think somebody joined.
Join Sharif, right? Okay. Yeah. See here. Suppose I am using these values 1, 2, 3. In the first set, all the values I am displaying as 1, 2, 3. And coming to the B, 1, 4, 5 is there. Okay. But already 1 is there, right?
Yes.
So I am not repeating this 1. What are the latter values? 4,
4, yeah.
5.
5.
Okay. Again, I am giving another example. Suppose I am using this one 2. Okay. Now tell me A union B. A union B. First it will print all the A set numbers. What are the A set numbers? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And it will check in the B set. Now the B set, the first number is 1. 1 is already repeated, right?
Yes.
So it will not display the value. 2. 2 already gone. Okay, so it will not display the value. Next, what is the value? 4, 5. So output is again 4, 5. Got it? What it is doing union? It is combining the A set and the B set and it is removing the duplicates. Okay? And it is removing the duplicates and it is retrieving for only single time, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next, for the suppose the same one, if I am using like this, A union all B. Now what will be the output? Anyone? First, what is the A set? A set is 1, 2, 3, right? Guys, are you understanding? Union is clear to you?
Yeah, union.
Union is clear, right? Okay. Now I am explaining union all. See? Okay, what is the A set? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what is the B set? 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. It will not eliminate the duplicates. It will display 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Now it will make it in order. How it is going to order? 1, 1, 2, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Whether it is eliminating the duplicates union on?
No.
No. The union is eliminating the duplicates. Okay. That is the difference between the union all and union. And the next one is intersection. Okay. Intersect B. Okay. In the both sets, what are the matching values?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Simply it will display those only. 1 and 2. That's it. Clear?
Yes.
A union B. It will combine the A set and the B set and eliminate the duplicates. A union all B. It will combine the A set and the B set but keep the duplicates like that only in the sorting order. Okay. A intersection B. It will retrieve the elements which are having the matching in both the sets. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2 like that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now see. Before directly going that, okay, I will explain you what are those. I will show you what are those in the EMP1 and EMP2. closing all the results. Okay, and I'm executing this one EMP1. This is the result, and I'm executing this one. This is the result. Okay, I'm pinning this one. Now let us copy this output in somewhere. Okay, see, this is the EMP1 and this is the EMP2. Okay,
Okay.
for differentiation I am keeping this borders. Okay, this one EMP1 and this one EMP2. Okay, any matched values are there. See, KKK 7 90,000, KKK 7 9,000. Matched value is there, right?
Yes.
Okay, when I am performing the union between these one, okay, it will combine the employee 1 and employee 2 and eliminate the duplicates. Okay, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows are there. Here 8, 9, 10 rows are there. Okay, but what are the matched values? First one KKK, Hari, Yusuf, Sam, okay, Raj, JJJ and LLL. Okay, the 7 are same values we are having. Okay, what are the different values? How many different values are there? 3. Okay, this 7 plus 7, 14 values. Okay, instead of 14, how many it will retrieve for the duplicates? Union means
It's keeping a duplicate value and giving the rest.
single value. Instead of 14, it will display only 7, right?
Yes.
Okay, 7 plus the different values. Different values are how much? 3. Okay, it will retrieve the 10 values. Let us see whether the same thing happened or not. Select star from EMP1 union. Select star from EMP2. 10 rows displayed. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose for union, whether it will keep the duplicates or remove the duplicates. Union all.
You know, we'll keep the duplicates.
That means 7 plus 7, 14 plus 3, 17 rows it will come, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let us see. How many rows? 17 rows came, right?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, in both the sets, how many matched values are there? How many rows are there matched values?
7.
7. Okay. Let us see. If I am doing the intersect, only the matched value should come, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let us see that one. Only 7 rows only came, the matched values between the two sets. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the next important operation, minus. Minus is nothing but here the 7 rows, here there are 10 rows. 10 rows are there. Okay, here in the employee 1, 7 rows are there. Okay, here I want to retrieve the records which are there in the set 2, that is EMP2, that are not there in the EMP1. What are those? I want to retrieve the records which are there in the EMP2 and not there in the EMP1.
Okay.
Okay, how many records are there?
Record 2 is 10. But it's going to retrieve only 3.
These records are there in the EMP2. These records are not there in the EMP1, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I want to retrieve these records only. The records which are there in the EMP2 that are not there in the EMP1. Okay,
Yeah.
how I can do is by using the minus. The records which are there in the EMP2 that are not there in the EMP1. Okay, how I can do minus. If I am selecting this one, I will get only the 3 records, right?
Yes. Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
These type of operations, union all, intersect, minus, these type of operations are called as set operations. Okay, these operations are called as set operations. Got it? And the next concept is
set operation, right?
on a group of sets, we are doing the operations. That's why these are called as set operations. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What we discussed up to now? Odd rank function, dense rank. Okay. That means rank is nothing but it will display the separate numbers after as a different column. Okay. And the dense rank, it will display the different numbers of the column, but it will replace the number. Suppose 1, 2, 2 came means after 3 will not come, directly 4 will come. But in the dense rank, 1, 2, 2 came means after that 3 will come. This is the dense rank. Okay. Yeah. And then coming to the sum, it will calculate the sum of the values in a particular column. Okay. And then count is nothing but it will calculate the number of rows in a particular column or a table. Okay. Here suppose I am giving the column name instead of asterisk, it will count only for the particular column. If I am giving the asterisk means it will count for the entire table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And coming to this select, this is the group by function. Group by is nothing but we are grouping up based on a particular column. This is called group by. And if you want to impose any conditions on the group by, we can't impose directly by using the where condition. We can impose by using the having condition only. Okay. And then union, the set operations, union all, intersect, minus. Union combines the both the sets, eliminates the duplicates. Whereas union all combines the both sets but doesn't eliminate the duplicates. Intersect only retrieve the matched values. Okay. Minus will retrieve the unmatched values.
Yes,
okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then there is another concept called as constraints. Okay, what is this constraints means? Suppose while creating the table itself only, suppose I am creating this table like this. I already told the syntax, right? Create. First of all, I am dropping this table. Already this table is there. Okay, I am creating this table. Number, what are the keyword I used here? Not null. Okay, that means while creating the table only, I am giving some constraint. A constraint is a condition which we are giving to a particular column or table. Okay, what is the constraint I am giving here? Not null. Not null means it will not accept the null values to the particular column. Which column? Number column.
Okay.
Okay, suppose I am creating this table like this. See, table created, right? And when I am inserting the null values, here I use the insert method by using the value method. When I am using the insert statement using the null values. Okay, what is the error return? Cannot insert null into student.number. That means the number column cannot have the null value. Why? Because what is the constraint we declared for the student?
Not null.
Not null. Okay, null values cannot be accepted for this. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Again I am dropping the table. Okay, again I am dropping the table, and here I am keeping the primary key. Okay, I am keeping the primary key. That means the primary key will not accept the null values as well as it will not accept the same values. First of all, check with the null values. Okay. First of all, I need to create the table again. Table student created, right? Okay. Suppose I am passing the values like this. It will throw an error. What it is throwing? It cannot insert null values into the particular column, right?
Yes.
Okay. What I told the another one? Same values. Okay. It should have only the unique values. If the same values are entered into this one, it will throw the error. First I am entering the value 1. Okay. Entering the value 1. Row inserted, right?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose again I am inserting the 1. Okay. That is the same value, right? Again if I am trying to insert the same value 1, what it will show? Let us see. What is the error? Particular constraint, unique constraint violated. Unique means the same number you can't give for the number. That is the primary key. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is the concept